you ready to draw cute Melodyincup together? Now let's draw with me. Hi my little artists. Before we begin, I want to say a huge thank you. Your support really helps my small channel keep going. Now let's start. First, start by drawing her two small round paws resting on the rim of the teacup. Draw a horizontal line connecting the two paws right across the rim of the cup. Draw a nice curved arch above the paws to form the bottom and sides of her cute face. Now, inside the face, draw a big sparkling round eye on the right side with shiny highlights. Draw the matching big sparkling eye on the left side to keep it symmetrical. Now, add a tiny nose and a cute surprised mouth in the center of her face. Draw the curved head line coming down on the right side next to her face. Complete the floppy bunny ear and head section on the left side to finish the iconic My Melody shape. Close the top of her head with a smooth curved line connecting both sides, and draw a pretty flower on her head. Great! Draw the oval rim of the teacup around her body. And draw the large, rounded body of the teacup curving down below the rim. Start drawing cute little circles, polka dots scattered across the front of the teacup. Continue adding more polka dots around the cup to make the pattern complete and fun. On the right side, draw the cup handle. At the bottom of the cup, draw a small base so the cup can stand nicely. Your adorable My Melody in a teacup is completely finished. If you enjoyed this drawing, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.
See you in the next videos. I'm Little Pencil. Goodbye.